Pablo and Rusty's Coffee Roasters of Sydney, Australia, selects, roasts, and blends coffee beans in special ways that appeal to its growing customer base. To keep up with demand, the company replaced a circular tray blender with a Munson rotary batch mixer, increasing capacity by a factor of 4 while preserving bean quality. After resting on a cooling tray, roasted beans are loaded through the stationary inlet of the vessel as it rotates. Internal mixing flights create a gentle 4-way tumble, turn, cut, fold mixing action that prevents damage to the fragile coffee beans. The flights also serve to elevate and direct the blended batch toward and through a stationary discharge gate as the vessel rotates until fully evacuated, preventing segregation of beans having disparate sizes, shapes, or bulk densities. The company typically mixes 4 to 10 batches per day, each requiring a mere 5-minute cycle time and each weighing 300 to 600 kilograms, or about 660 to 1,320 pounds, which is less than the mixer's capacity of 850 kilograms or 1,875 pounds. Total batch uniformity is achieved at 100%, down to 15% of rated capacity, allowing the company to scale up or down as needed. See the full range of Munson mixing and blending equipment at munsonmachinery.com.